Hello, hope you are doing good. I'm going to show how uh, XLOOK, XLOOKUP function in Excel can be used to find a value or content in a range of cells and to get a number for that value or content. So let's start. Here is my data set. So first of all, you see there are countries here. It is 26 countries, and there are country code for each country. And I have another column of country, but it is a huge number, but same 26 countries. So what I need to do, I need to get a country code for each country here. So if I do it manually, it will take very long time and it will be lengthy. So let's use the XLOOKUP function. First, put equal to sign, then just write X, and you will see the drop down list, which gives us the XLOOKUP. Click on that, and now you need to choose the country. I want to get a country code for this country. After that, put a comma, and then choose the range from which you want to match this country with the country from that range of cells. So I'm just choosing that one, put a comma, but since I will choose countries not only for this one country, I will choose for all other countries. But this range of countries will remain fixed. So for that reason, I'm going to keep it uh, fixed uh, with the dollar sign before and after the letter. Next, I want to get a country code, but though I can see it is in the beginning, but if I don't know where it is, then I just need to choose the range of cells and close the parenthesis. Before hitting enter, just uh, put the dollar sign before and after the letter so that those range of cells remain fixed. It is the same reason because we will want to have a country code for all the countries listed here. So okay, now let's hit enter. Now you see we get the country code for the country Afghanistan. Now select that one and put the cursor right down of the cell and double click on that. We'll get the country code for all the countries. Okay, I have just shown how to get a country code for the countries from other dataset. Now I want to do the same thing if I want to get the country number. As I mentioned earlier, there are 26 countries, the similar countries, same countries, and now I have assigned a specific number for each countries, but I have this dataset from one dataset, and I need to use this dataset actually. In that case, I also need the country number for each country. And as I said, if I want to do it manually, it will take very long hours. It will be very lengthy. So I'm to use XLOOKUP function again. So the same thing, put equal sign, then write X, choose XLOOKUP from the drop down list, then the country for which we want to get the number, then put a comma, then we need to match the country. So I'm going to choose the range of cells from which the country will be matched. Then put a comma, and again we need to keep this range fixed because we want to get the number for all the countries in this column. So to keep it fixed, put a $sign before and after the letter of the cells, and then choose the range from which this formula will get a number for the matched country. Okay, so I've chosen the range, close the parenthesis. Before hitting enter, keep it fixed in the same way and for the same reason. Okay, now enter. Similar thing, and you will see that we will get the country code, country number for each country, and it is much easier. And the good thing is that it takes very less time. So hopefully it will be helpful for you if you using this kind of data set, and please continue to us the other videos in our channel. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.